Coco will be put down and you send her to an adoption center in any country. She's a stray mixed street dog with a cut-off tail that nobody will adopt. She's an old stray dog that's given birth previously, judging by her physique, and if you leave her here she will die alone after being given hope by you. Even after losing her puppies and being abandoned, do something good.
So what can I do?
Best thing to do is take her with you. Since she's a stray, she might chill and do her own thing at home. This Coco collab was fate and must continue. You are friends with a literal animal rescue professional. Please just ask Maya what to do with Coco.